Hi, hello, good morning. My name is Kaja Pasha. My student ID is 231823, and today I would like to discuss about the proposed database system for the Australian manufacturing company, which is used to provide an efficient, reliable, and integrated platform for managing and optimizing various aspects of the company's operation. The system aims to streamline the data management, enhance the productivity, and support informed decision making process with the Australian manufacturing company. So the system will be designed to address the specific needs and the requirements of the Australian manufacturing company by offering the following requirements as like store management, employee management, and product and supplier management and patron management, such as the which comes the final point order processing, data integrity and security, scalability, so on. So um, as we see the project domain overview of Australian manufacturing database management system is that understanding the business landscape, introducing to the AMC as Australian manufacturing company, what are the key entities, the business processes, challenges that we faced, and objectives of the entity relationship diagram, benefits, so on. So as we see the entity relationship diagram, there are many entities like um, what do we say, there there are many relationship entities, retail stores, store departments, then we as we see that AMC employees while working in the different sectors are gathering to the payment slips, their manufacturing products or retail products, that their suppliers, so on. As we see that this entity relationship diagram, they are linked to different uh, they are linked in each way in many with the different relationships, as um, managing many to many relation, as we see that managing many to many relationships in on the Australian manufacturing company database, understanding the many to many relationships, challenging of many to many relationships. And we see as we go on through the many to many relationships, we come across an junction table, which example retail stores, as we take the junction table, which helps in the functioning of coring the relationship and future expansion. If we see with the next slide, we can illustrate through illustration of one to many relationship in Australian manufacturing company store catalog. In this table, we have one to many relationships between Australian manufacturing company store ID and their IDs. Each unique combinations of Australian manufacturing company store ID and item ID prints to record in the table. As we see that this company's catalog table is used to catalog the availability and ordered quantities of items in various stores, which helps to overcome the stock product in each store availability. So the item ID column represents the unique identifier of an item. The availability quantity columns stores the quantity of specific item available in a particular store. The order quantity uh, stores the quantity of a specific item that has been ordered in a particular store. As we see that one many to many relationship, one to many, for example, for an item ID, it appears twice in the table, then it indicates the item is available both the store 1 and store 2. Similar, the item is available in store 1, and the only and in store another store 2, then each store can have multiple items, creating one to many relationship between the stores and items. The next slide comes the contribution and challenging issues of future work. As we see, the database management system plays a vital role in enhancing the relations between gathering the information of the data, of the availability of stock or the item or ID. We see that the database design is an important, which helps in the development and of comprehensive and well structured database for AMC offers and foundational asset for the company. So the entity relationship diagram schema and using the SQL queries provide a structure framework for the database management and retrieval. As we see that query development through using the SQL queries the present in the SQL, the project enable efficient data retrieval and reporting these queries and tailored to meet the specific needs of AMC operations. As for the facing is all these systems, we challenging issues we take as data validation. Ensuring the data accuracy and integrity was a challenging task. Implementing constants and validation rules required through testing and validation to prevent data use. As with the complex business rules, the complexity of Australian manufacturing company business rules and relations present a challenge in designing a database that accurately represents this complexity. If demanded a deep understanding of business landscape. So, as further the query optimization comes, developing efficient SQL queries, especially for the complex operations, was challenging, and optimizing is an ongoing process to ensure that the queries perform well as even in database grows. Then for the future expansion we see, while the project provides a solid foundation, future expansions of the database to accommodate additional features and requirements may pose challenge in terms of maintaining the data consistency and performance. As for future work, we can see that integration with the software applications, which helps in the development of the software, may reduce the work to be done in the next phases, so that it helps in integrating the database with the software application that supports the actual manufacturing operations such as inventory management, store management, and supply management, or payroll processing of the employees. These all things enhance even the security may be enhanced. Implementing the advanced security features to protect the sensitive data is a crucial area where for future development. As we see, the data analyst leveraging the databases for can provide valuable insights to the customers. As of users, so the training and support, providing and training to the users and setting up a support system for database relations issues is an essential for ongoing process. So this is the way we have worked on. Thank you.